Well, minura ko sila, padaling. And then I think they woke up the next day, they practiced, they spoke, they were the leaders at the meeting with themselves, led by Justin and JV. So we can, the accountability of each other, to remind ourselves, we just, and credit din sa Bay Area, they played really well. Nalansi yata kami. Kaya hindi pa rin ako makakatulog doon sa ano. Pero at least nakita natin na merong nakayang talunin din ng BPA team, I think. Northport gave us a view of how to beat them. And hopefully we can play them again at some point in this conference. Yung preparation kasi namin, although it's not an excuse, siyempre yung preparation namin medyo na-stall, kumbaga, kasi nga, karoon ng trade, we had multiple injuries.